Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to reset your iPhone using the buttons on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And by doing that, you will reset or force restart your iPhone using the buttons. But if you want to factory reset your iPhone, just open Settings, then tap on General. And in General, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And from here, just tap on Continue and select Erase iPhone. And by doing that, you will factory reset your iPhone and you will delete all the data on your iPhone. And this is how you can reset your iPhone using buttons on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.